Welcome to the Australian National Botanic Gardens and the Plants of the Flower, Fruit and Foliage Walk of the 28th of July 2021.
Grevillea insignis, subspecies insignis, is an open, rather straggly bush with blue-green prickly holly leaves and terminal pink blooms with dark red stamens, native to southwestern Western Australia.
Corazima cordatum cross varium, or heart-leaved flame pea, is a showy weeping shrub with vivid orange-pink flowers and bright green prickly foliage. This plant is native to the moist southwestern parts of Western Australia.
Banksia spinulosa is a medium-sized bush with large pale yellow flowers with red styles held upright on toothed linear grey-green foliage. Sometimes known as hairpin banksia, it is native to the 3 eastern states extending along the coast from Victoria to Cairns.
Syzygium smithii, or lily pilly, is a small tree with a dense crown of shiny green leaves covered in clusters of pale pink to white berries. Syzygium smithii is best known member of the lily pillies and is widespread in East Coast rainforest from North Queensland to Victoria, and is also found on King Island.
Acacia citriodora, or lemon ironwood, is a small tree with shiny green leaves and large white fluffy heads of flower with prominent bracts. This plant is endemic to the tropical rainforest areas of Queensland between Brisbane and Mackay. The leaves of this plant are strongly lemon-scented.
Grevillea sericea, subspecies sericea, is an airy bush with light green foliage and white spider flowers. This plant occurs naturally west of Sydney.
Cryptandra aridicola is a small bush with tiny leaves and pink and white flowers. This plant is native to southwestern Western Australia, near Kalgoorlie.
Pimelia physoides, or quallop bell, has gray-green foliage close to reddish stems with pendant green bracts enclosing the small flowers and dark red outer bracts. This plant is found in southwestern Western Australia and is considered the most outstanding of the genus.
Acacia amoena, or boomerang wattle, is a small bush with tough yellow-green leaves and golden balls of flowers. This plant is native to New South Wales and the northern Victorian tablelands.
Acacia parvipinula, or silver-stemmed wattle, is a tree with dark green ferny foliage and pale yellow scented balls of flowers. This wattle is native to central eastern New South Wales.
Acacia ulicifolia, or prickly Moses, has many pale yellow balls of flowers on fine dark green prickly foliage. This wattle is native to the eastern part of Australia from Queensland to Tasmania.
Acacia pycnostachya, or Bolivia wattle, is a shrub or small tree with curved gray-green, sickle-shaped leaves. Native to a restricted area, Bolivia Hill, near Tenterfield, New South Wales. This plant is considered vulnerable in the wild and grows on granite soils of the New England batholith.
Acacia o'Shanesii is native to coastal New South Wales and Queensland. This tree has fine, dark green, divided foliage with fluffy yellow ball flowers.
Acacia terminalis is a small tree whose range extends through New South Wales, Victoria, and Tasmania. This plant has attractive dark green divided foliage with large cream flower balls.
Acacia cognata is a graceful weeping tree with green linear leaves and plenty of flower buds. This plant is known as bower wattle and is native to southeastern mainland Australia.